Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedarita. Let's get into your reading for the month of June 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Pisces. I'm using the Thought deck by Aleister Crowley and I'm doing the Golden Dawn spread for you guys. These three cards represent your situation. So this side will say about your current path. This will tell you about your alternate path. And over here, these cards will tell you with regards to your psychological basis, and this will tell you about your karma. Now we can start facing up the cards. We have the Tower, Major Arcana. We got Queen of Wands. Now don't click off the video because we got Tower. This is just the situation right now. It all depends on the karma also, and that's why Aleister Crowley has made the karma at last. So for you two guys to wait, not necessarily see the negative cards and just walk away. We got Theleme card, look at that. So we got exactly next to the Tower, meaning that universe is also supporting with that Tower energy. Even though there is some kind of destruction happening in your situation, you can see with all the destruction also, universe is telling you to be brave. Also take help from people you trust, and also have the belief with the Theleme card. It could be any religion that you follow. You have the belief in the universe and the God, and also knowledge with all the colors here. It also represents knowledge. We got the Aeon, Major Arcana. We got OTO. Look at that. Universe also is very keen about everything, and I am seeing you got this OTO in the alternate path, depending on where you are actually going in the current path also. So universe is actually supporting in your situation at the same time, depending on how you are choosing, how you are going after it also. Universe is actually adapting to that, giving you opportunities and helping you with that, with the Virtue, Three of Wands. Okay, now we have to simultaneously go, but it's all right. We got Sorrow. We got Prince of Discs. We got Knight of Wands. We got Knight of Swords. Futility, Seven of Swords. Interference, Eight of Discs. We got Ace of Discs. Victory, Six of Wands. Failure, Seven of Discs. So now we have to replace two cards here, Theleme and OTO. So before I replace, it depends on what card will come out at this position also, but just to mention that universe is actually giving this kind of energy to have the belief, giving the opportunity to have the belief, and it is helping you. It is showing it is showing you the things that you like and giving the signs, etc. But this is because you got the Tower energy, and you have to go through some kind of destruction, some kind of ending has to happen for your future perspective. Some kind of knowledge is coming with the Providence eye, and you can see all the angels and everything. It is also helping for the situation to tame it down, and all the fire energy to come out, the Mars energy to come out. And with the Queen of Wands, with this fiery energy over here, universe is asking you to be brave, connect with that fire, at the same time to be brave and hold on to the things that you like with the wands, and your position also with the crown. At the same time, take help from the people that you know and who have helped you before, and feel free to take help from people. They definitely are here to help you. When you're in this situation, people are ready to help you. So connect with them, let them know what you want, and guide them, and they will do that. And that is with regards to Thelema card. This is bringing opportunities, like people and everything. Have the belief. So we got swiftness, which is again people. This is networking card. So have the belief that you can connect with people, you can connect with the things that you like, and you can connect with people. You have to be open to opportunities. After having this destruction, remember that this destruction can actually bring in some kind of rainbow like opportunities, even though it looks very unreal. You have to have the belief that you can jump on these fire hurdles and you can come to a safe destination. It is almost like the Seven of Swords energy in the background, like that kind of meaning, but little different than that. Seven of Swords, it is little painful. I can see the situation is like that, but if you are strong, it doesn't affect you emotionally, is what I feel. We got change with the OTO, replacing the OTO. And OTO, I believe, in coming in the alternate path, it is all depending on how you are going in the current path. And change represents again balance and everything. And also this is also belief card. At the same time, you can see the same crown over here, like kind of same representation. So it is saying, even though changes happen with the alternate path, you have to remain stable, have that balance. At the same time, know your worth, hold on to your position. So that's it, guys. So we can start with the reading. Alright guys, welcome back. Let's get into your reading. So in this situation, we got Queen of Wands, the Tower, and Swiftness. So for the people who have clicked the timestamps and skipped to your reading, I suggest you to just go back and watch the spread. You have got belief card in the place of swiftness and OTO in the place of change. So the cards were replaced. I explained it little in a simplified manner. So you can skip back and watch it if you haven't yet. For the people who have clicked the timestamps. Now with the Tower in the center, as I said in the spread, doing the spread, the Tower represents change. So some kind of destruction happened for sure, and it had to happen in the month of June, and it is for your future benefit. At the same time, the way it happens also, universe is actually showing you the truth of the situation. Okay, so it could be little hard to take on, but you have to, universe wants you to have better things in life. At the same time, to know your worth, to know your position. And after seeing the situation also, you will become like the Queen of Wands in a way, like naturally. That is the situation here. If not, it is suggesting that you need to adapt to this kind of energy. And people with the Leopard over here, people also kind of look into the situation along with you, and they want to participate and help you, and they are ready to help you. Okay, because when people see that you are mistreated or misunderstood, and now you know the truth, people also kind of respect you and they want to support you. So that kind of energy. So welcome these people who are ready to support you. So that's what I'm seeing with the situation, and they also kind of have the knowledge to help you and get things right overall. But your guidance also has to be there. You have to somehow direct them so that they know what you want. With the swiftness card, exactly replacing Thelema card, it represents that you need to have belief that you can connect with people and take help from people, and you can swift to a new destination which is colorful. Okay, so at this moment of time, it could look like it is impossible or unreal, but right now you need to have that belief, and that's why universe is saying, the more you believe, that's when you're gonna get it. Okay, that negative energy will definitely turn to positive only if you have that belief that it is possible. Now in the current path we got the Aeon, Knight of Wands and interference. So overall in the situation now we understood that belief should be there even though destruction is happening. With the current path, comparing with the situation, it should definitely work out, and that's why you need to be careful towards choosing the alternate and current path here. In the Aeon card in the current path, it represents again your thinking. You're not really communicating much to people, but at the same time you're contemplating and thinking on yourself what really happened, and you know that God really wants good to happen for you, and everything what is happening is good. You have that kind of knowledge, but at the same time you're contemplating even more, understanding even more why it actually happened, but you're not necessarily asking people or communicating much right now. You're just staying silent and learning more by yourself. At the same time, you're not open trusting anyone right now. You're not communicating or trusting anyone right now. You're just looking within. And also, if people are communicating, I am seeing that you are not open in communicating. You're just creating some kind of boundary. And after some time with the Knight of Wands, I can see you'll create this boundary, but after some time you're going to jump, and this jumping is also because you created your own boundary and you're jumping on your own boundary, getting out, and then fighting for your fighting for what you believe in, okay, and what you deserve. So that's what I'm seeing. You're going to wait for a while. You're going to learn things, few secrets. You're going to definitely learn few secrets, some kind of knowledge you're going to get by searching answers by your own. And after creating all this boundary, then you're going to just step out of your own boundary with the Knight of Wands energy. But there will be blockages again. You want to fight with what you believe in, but again there will be blockages with the interference card. So expect this kind of energy with the current path here. And alternate path universe is suggesting is Ace of Discs, Virtue 3 of Wands, and Change 2 of Discs. Now you can see universe is suggesting focus on money, not necessarily proving yourself right at this moment of time. That will naturally happen. I am seeing people are seeing your worth, people are respecting you, people are seeing the truth along with you. So you don't necessarily have to point out every single thing, even though you are remaining silent, but at some point of time you will talk and you will fight. So rather than that energy, universe is suggesting with the alternate path, focus on money, focus on your stability with Ace of Discs. And also don't have any kind of restriction with money. Focus on big goals with regards to money at the same time. And 3 of Wands, watch out for the watch out how it is playing in the world, and what people are talking with regards to your money, with regards to you, or anything what necessarily is happening in the society and all around you, your friend circle, etc. Just watch out and wait, and change. Let's see also if any people are coming to you naturally and communicating with you. Keep in mind with these kind of people and what their intentions are with the Change card. And overall, so hold on to your position, hold on to your worth and what you believe in, and focus on stability more rather than proving yourself right and in every point. That's what I'm seeing. It may because I'm getting a lot of different kind of energy with a lot of fire in here, especially with the Tower card. There could be many ways that the destruction can happen. And with the Swiftness cards, you can see there is it's a network card, so it can go anywhere, as I said. So it can imply differently for few people. So check out your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs as well. Especially you can check out your Mars energy also. And but I am seeing Moon and Ascendant Rising sign is significant, so check out with that. In the psychological basis, we got Victory, 8 of Wands, Knight of Swords, which is a code card, and Sorrow, 3 of Swords. So yeah, I mean, yeah, there will be blockages this month because of all the destruction happened. There will be some kind of blockages. You might actually recollect once in a while what has happened, but overall background, what I'm seeing is that there will be blockages because you might recall something what happened in the past and you feel sad. But also in the background I can see there is opportunity for you to just fight and get your victory. Even though there is blockages, you can go after it and get the victory. And with the sorrow card, I am seeing especially like you will recall and recollect few things that happened in the past, but that's a background, what is running in the background. But at the same time, there is a chance that you can just forget about it and move towards your victory and fight for the victory, even though there is blockages. Okay, I think definitely if you need to have that belief. Also with the Knight of Swords energy, it's all about the belief. When you go so fast, you need to have the belief that you can do it, and that's why you got Theleme card and all that. In the karma, we got Princess of Discs, futility and failure. A lot of sevens here, also negative energy over here with the 7. Futility and failure, there is a little bit of negative energy, and that is karma. So your karma is to actually experience this negative energy, at the same time analyze it. And with the Princess of Discs especially, it's a lot of experience. And also Princess of Discs also represents a position, analyzing this negative energy, at the same time knowing who you are and your position, and analyzing what people have their intentions towards you, what people's intentions are towards you, and that sort of thing. So definitely you're gonna have a different mindset and different point of view, and things will change is what I feel. In the karma card, I can see, especially with Princess of Discs, you're gonna change how you interact with people and how you do things. It's gonna totally change after this Tower energy. So definitely very heavy energy, very major month, especially these major arcanas are very heavy. At the same time, coming Theleme and OTO, both cards. As I said before, only if Theleme card comes, OT also comes. If OT also comes, Theleme card comes. Most of the time it happens. 2 card also comes. And wherever these card placed, it's significant. As I said, you might be aware of these things, and that's it. I think you need to just focus on the current and alternate path and the situation. And psychological basis and karma is also, it's naturally happening, so it's fine. You have to just focus on the current situation and alternate, so it'll definitely guide you with that. And also check out your rising sign and moon sign. That's all I have for you, Cancer. If you want to access your own energies, you can check out my business card. I offer services for tarot reading, astrological reading, life coaching and daily readings. And all the price ranges are mentioned respectively with Indian rupees, along with my contact number and social media links. You can connect with me like that, and I'll reach out to you as soon as possible. And I'll see you guys in the next one. If you haven't subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified, never miss any video. Also, I'll be hosting sessions every day at 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and every day is a new topic in Clubhouse. So it's available in Android as well as iOS platforms. You can definitely follow me there, and I'll invite you to my group Secrets of the Universe, so you can have a one-on-one conversation with me and learn a lot of things. And every day I'm hosting interesting stuff, and a lot of interesting stuff is gonna come. So follow me there, guys, and it's gonna get more interesting every single day. And I'm seeing the first day I started Clubhouse with Secrets of the Universe, and right now there is a lot of drastic improvement, and right now we are having 80 followers and more to come. And with you guys support, and I would love to meet you guys and talk to you guys as well and connect with you guys. So I'll see you guys there. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for so much support, and thanks for watching, and thank you.